Let me show you guys why you lose money. Let me show you why you always go wrong in forex trading if you don't pay attention on these small details. They are very, very important as far as forex trading is basically concerned. Because guys, you will see people making money today, blowing tomorrow, making money today, blowing tomorrow, and they end up being broke and they're trading forex, which is very, very wrong. So for instance, guys, right here, you can see the market is actually on downtrend. Okay, so imagine this kind of a movement going against you. Hey, you won't save your account, you won't make anything. And I'm telling you guys, if forex trading doesn't make you money, you are actually depositing and not withdrawing, you really have a problem. Can you stop depositing your money, sit back and learn, because forex won't favor you. So guys, like in this movement over here, I know most of you will have taken their buying order. This is not even that serious. I know most of you will have took their buy order over here because of this candlestick pattern over here. I think now this is a breakout, I should press it to the upside, and this movement goes against you, and it's a very great move to the downside. How are you supposed to solve this problem? How are you supposed to overcome all these problems? Because if you have a problem like this, taking your buy order and the market goes against you like this, you will never make money in forex trading. You keep on losing your money and you have no one to blame. And I've been telling you guys, you have to pay attention on smart money games. This is where most of us go wrong. This is where most of us think the market will favor you, yet you're wrong. And what you're supposed to know, smart money understands support and resistance. Smart money knows very well it's just going to execute a sell order on resistance. They know most traders are going to take their buy order on support. They know all these things. On those levels, I just want to highlight them real quick so that you guys can see it's so easy for you to really lose money if you don't pay attention to these details. I'm just going to highlight this level over there, and this one over here, and this one over here, and that one there. Those are enough for now. I was watching this market, I took my sell order, and I saw in some groups people were buying this pair. And this movement goes against you. You should think twice. You guys, you should love yourself. You should love your peace. Why should you deposit money knowing very well you will not withdraw? Because you're running away from what you're supposed to know. You're running away from reality. You don't have enough knowledge to make money for you. You know, it pisses me off because when you tell people, can you stop depositing and work on your knowledge, they don't want. So guys, like in this case over here, most of you will have thought this is actually a breakout to the upside, which is actually a very invalid one. And it was confirmed by the second candlestick pattern, which closed below this level over here. I don't know, most of you can ask me, we have seen you've drawn support and resistance. And if you're careful, most of what I've drawn right here is not even support and resistance. These are structures that I came up with. I found instances where price reacts to some candlestick formation. I lacked a better name and I called it structures. You will see I've drawn them right here, and that's what I do use most of the time to execute trades. I'm not the only one. Many people that I've taught this, they use it as a strategy. So guys, when you see a candlestick like this rising, don't rush executing trades. And that's why I discourage my people. Stop saying that you're going to get snipper entries. You're going to get them wrongly. You're going to get snipper entries to lose money. And when the market goes against you like you took your buy order over here, do you think your account will survive with this kind of a movement? It will not. You have to be very careful. And so guys, to clarify on that, we got this candlestick pattern which rose. Then the second candlestick pattern closed below. If you're careful, I do pay attention on candlestick closure. Candlestick closure is very important because it helps us really know where the market is heading to. Okay, so once this line was broken, I took my sell order. It got to this point. I targeted it to be my next support level. It was broken below, candlestick came up to this level. You got this momentum candlestick pattern. You thought that you have seen a snipper entry. Yes, the candlestick broke above my second line. It was unable to proceed to the upside. So even if you took your buy order with structure knowledge, you'll be able to know now sellers are in control by the formation of the next candlestick pattern. This candlestick pattern closed below even this line. Then we go this one, we go this rejection, and the market really proceeded to the downside. So guys, if you take your snipper entries directly on resistance, do you think you will ever be profitable in forex? Do you think you will ever make anything in forex trading? Executing trades because you've seen candlestick formation. Come on, you have to be very serious. This Forex is not for lazy people. If you want to fund your account anyhow, you want to fund your account and blow, well and good. It means that you don't care about your life. You don't even care about your health. So you have to keep this back in your head if you want to be profitable. This is 5 minutes time frame, the time frame I majorly use to execute trades. This happens to each and every time frame. Even in monthly time frame, this will apply because smart money understands all these levels and they know where to trick you. They know where to get you. Okay, so guys, some entries you guys are taking and executing trades, they show how far you are from becoming profitable. The entry itself will tell you the kind of a trader you are. Some of you are making money by luck. Why should you expose yourself to such risk? And you're there risking your rent and you know nothing about forex trading. Forex is very, very ruthless. Very ruthless if you ignore the most important things. I've decided to do this random video because I just saw a screenshot, somebody saying they took their buy order right here because they thought this is a breakout. You don't even know they can be a false breakout. You guys will have to be serious. Someone took their buy order right here, expecting the market to rise. How? And it was unable to break above this level over here. And if you're very wise, this was a hair, these are shoulders right here. You don't even know how to read the patterns. You know guys, let's be serious at some point. Let's try to reason because the market will always be there. The market is not going anywhere. It will remain here forever. Why don't you give yourself 3 months? Why don't you give yourself 4 months just to learn and capture every information you need? Then go back to market knowing very well when I deposit, I will withdraw. So guys, I'm not here to lecture you. I just recall how Forex mistreated me, destroyed me completely. I talked about it in my previous video. Kindly watch that video and I'm just going to understand why I'm so harsh when it comes to these types of things. Because we have to be serious, we have to reason, we have to really make sure we're making money, not only depositing. You cannot be depositing and you're not withdrawing. What are you even doing? So guys, kindly take this serious. After to demonstrate this real quick so that you guys can really understand the smart money knows what you know. That's what you have to keep back in your head. Don't think the market will sell directly on resistance. Don't think market will buy directly on support. They know what you know. They will cheat the market will sell, then it buys. They will cheat the market will buy, then it sells. That's why you should not take snipper entries just because you've seen any formation of a candlestick pattern. I'm sorry to say, some of these candlestick patterns we know before, then engulfing the what. Sometimes they don't work because smart money knows what you know. You have to be extra for you to win. You have to know something extra for you to win in this industry. Trust me. And that's what I had for today. Allow me to end this video at this point. Hope you've seen how dangerous it can be, guys, when you're reckless in this industry, when you don't want to learn, when you just want to fund your account, you don't want to learn. Forget about being a full-time trader. If you don't want to learn, you can never be a full-time trader. You will never even make sense in Forex. This Forex needs knowledge. You cannot come proving the market you're good. Oh, it will prove you have a long way to go. Forex humbles. Forex can humble you. That's what I can tell you today. Okay, so guys, let me hope you have learned something new. To those who never knew, so subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video as well. Success and everything you do. Continue working hard because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Bye bye, see you in my next video.